Hello everyone, and today we have received hybrid in-ear wired headphones with 4 types of drivers from the Kiwi Ears company. Namely, the model is called Septet. All this stuff is supplied in this kind of packaging, where the headphones themselves are depicted on the front side and the types of drivers are indicated, and the technical specifications are indicated on the side. Well, let's move on to unpacking and see what's inside. In the kit you will find user manual, semi-rigid black carrying case, brown soft modular detachable copper cable with 2-pin connectors with a diameter of 0.78 mm and with a 3.5 mm mini jack. Balanced adapter 4.4 mm, 6 pairs of silicone ear tips, narrow and wide, different sizes, and of course the Kiwi Ears Septet hybrid headphones themselves. The new product got its name Septet for a reason. The word Septet has several meanings, but they are all united by the number 7. And Septet, essentially a hybrid model, uses 7 drivers in each earphone, but their combination includes as many as 4 types of drivers, and therefore they are classified as Quadbrid. In addition to the standard set of dynamic and 4 balanced armatures, they added a piezoelectric driver and a microplanar transducer. The model is interesting and technological, and probably to some extent exceptional, because according to Kiwi Ears themselves, they developed it for 2 years. The Kiwi Ears Septet exudes premium craftsmanship with a design that balances elegance and functionality. Its shells, crafted from a sturdy metal alloy, likely aluminum, offer a solid yet lightweight feel at approximately 7 to 8 grams per side. The open back design, a unique feature for IEMs, enhances both aesthetics and acoustics, contributing to a spacious soundstage. The faceplate is a visual standout, finished in a rich coffee brown hue with a subtle metallic sheen. Its intricate open back grille, resembling a delicate lattice, adds sophistication, while facilitating airflow for a speaker-like sound. A Kiwi Ears logo is subtly etched at the center, complementing the design without overpowering it. The inner surface is ergonomically contoured to fit the ear's concha, contrasting the faceplate's matte texture. Its smooth, rounded edges ensure comfort during extended use, suitable for most ear sizes, though smaller ears may require tip experimentation for a secure fit. The nozzle has a diameter of approximately 5.7 mm and incorporates a metal mesh filter designed to mitigate debris accumulation. Its design facilitates a fairly deep insertion into the ear canal, which contributes to enhanced bass response and sound isolation. Distal to the mesh filter, a 3-bore system precisely directs audio output from the 7 integrated drivers. The top of the case is equipped with recessed 0.78 mm 2-pin connectors for secure cable fixation, marked with blue for the left and red for the right channel indicators for easy identification. There are compensation holes, one next to the cable connectors and the second next to the sound pipe. The dimensions of the case are length 23 mm, width 17 mm, thickness 13 mm, height together with the sound guide 22 mm. The diameter of the sound guide at the end is 5.7 mm. Each monitor features a Quadbrid driver system integrating 4 distinct transducer technologies. For low-frequency reproduction, a 10 mm dynamic driver with a composite diaphragm is utilized, dedicated to the sub-bass and bass regions down to a stated 8 Hz. The mid and low treble frequencies are handled by 4 balanced armature drivers, managed by 2 independent crossover networks that segment the low, mid, and mid-treble bands. This configuration is engineered for controlled frequency response and minimized harmonic distortion within these ranges. High-frequency output is generated by a single microplanar transducer, MPT driver, acting as an ultra-treble tweeter, extending the frequency response up to 30 kHz. Complementing this, an updated piezoelectric PZT driver is implemented to influence the upper registers. This multi-driver architecture, comprising dynamic, balanced armature, microplanar transducer, and piezoelectric drivers, represents a technologically diverse approach to audio signal transduction across the audible spectrum. Made of 5 and high-purity OCC copper with brown insulation, the detachable cable has a braided design that harmonizes with the faceplate's aesthetic. The 2-pin connectors are robust, ensuring long-term reliability. The Septet's build quality feels luxurious and practical for daily use. Now let's talk about the sound of the headphones. The Kiwi Ears Septet, equipped with a 7-driver Quadbrid configuration, delivers a balanced sound signature through a 5-way crossover. Its sound profile features deep textured bass, a forward and clear mid-range with a touch of warmth, and detailed, controlled treble. Complemented by a wide soundstage from its open-back design, the Septet offers a versatile performance across genres, with clarity and separation that shine when paired with capable sources. The bass response of the Kiwi Ears Septet shows both depth and impact, with a notable sub-bass extension reaching low frequencies, providing a substantial foundation for genres such as electronic dance music and orchestral works. tracks with prominent bass lines demonstrate this depth through a palpable resonance. The mid-bass presents a punchy and dynamic character, lending energy to instruments like kick drums and bass guitars, ensuring their distinct presence within the mix. A key attribute of the septet's bass is its capacity for layering and separation of low-frequency elements, potentially facilitated by the interaction between its dynamic and planar magnetic drivers. In complex musical arrangements, individual bass notes and drum beats remain discernible, maintaining clarity even in dense passages. This articulation prevents muddiness or excessive bloom, a characteristic often sought in IEMs at this level. The bass achieves a balance that avoids both dominance and restraint, offering versatility across genres from bass-heavy hip-hop to nuanced acoustic pieces. Listeners seeking a bass response that combines depth, punch, and textural detail may find the septet's low-end performance well integrated and cohesive. The mid-range of the Kiwi Ears Septet is characterized by a forward and bright presentation, with vocals positioned prominently and showing an airy quality, likely influenced by the multi-driver configuration and crossover design. The lower mid-range provides a subtle warmth, adding richness to instruments such as pianos, cellos, and male vocals, contributing to a grounded tone suitable for genres emphasizing emotional resonance, such as folk and classical music. The deep tones of baritone voices and the timbre of cellos are rendered with fullness. As frequencies transition into the upper mid-range, a noticeable elevation enhances the clarity of elements like electric guitars, brass instruments, and female vocals, ensuring their detailed and expressive presentation. The intricate details of acoustic guitar picking and the high notes of soprano vocals are conveyed with precision. The transition between the lower and upper mid-range is relatively uniform, creating a cohesive sonic image where instrumental and vocal elements maintain their harmonic richness. Vocals, across various genres, are presented with sufficient detail to capture subtle inflections. The mid-range avoids significant deviations from a neutral response, resulting in a balanced and adaptable presentation across different musical styles, including rock, jazz, and classical. This balance, combined with its forward and airy nature, may contribute to comfortable extended listening. Listeners who prioritize a lively and accurate mid-range with vocal clarity may find the septet a capable performer, delivering a detailed and engaging sound. The treble performance of the septet is characterized by a detailed and clear high-frequency presentation, offering a lively presence that enhances high-frequency elements like cymbals and high strings, with clear articulation, supported by the PZT driver's contribution. The clarity in this region allows for the distinct audibility of percussive strikes, such as hi-hats and cymbals in rock music, adding to the music's dynamic feel. The upper treble shows a controlled airiness, lending a sense of spaciousness to instruments like flutes and chimes, approximating a live performance ambiance. A notable aspect of the septet's treble is its ability to convey fine details without introducing harshness or sibilance, even in recordings that may be prone to such artifacts. The subtle decay of instruments like triangles in orchestral pieces and the resonance of bells in minimalist compositions are discernible without being overly emphasized, indicating a refined tuning approach. This characteristic makes the septet adaptable to various recording qualities, aiming for a consistent listening experience. While the treble may be perceived as lively by those preferring a more subdued high end, it remains generally comfortable and non-fatiguing, balancing detail retrieval with ease of listening. The treble integrates well with the mid-range and bass, contributing to an overall clear and open sound across different genres. In our measurements, we have a standard impulse in all characteristics, minor discrepancies between channels and distortions at the peak reaching 0.87%, which is well within the norm. The phase is normal, and as always, you can see the waterfalls at 30 and 60 decibels on the corresponding graphs. In terms of the amplitude-frequency characteristic, we have a 9 decibel increase in low frequencies, an almost perfectly flat middle, a neatly raised area of intelligibility, a serious peak in the imitation of the oracle, a slightly smaller one but with higher quality in pseudo-detail, and smoothly fading, but extended high frequencies. To sum it up, the Kiwi Ears Septet emerges as a compelling contender in the mid-range IEM market, distinguished by its sophisticated fusion of cutting-edge technology and refined design. Its advanced Quadbrid driver system offers a balanced and engaging sound signature, characterized by impactful yet controlled bass, articulate and vibrant mid-range frequencies, and detailed, airy treble. This sonic tapestry is further enriched by an expansive soundstage that often surpasses the capabilities of IEMs in its class. The septet's premium construction, featuring a lightweight yet robust metal alloy chassis and an aesthetically pleasing open-back faceplate, complements its comfortable ergonomic design, ensuring enjoyable extended listening sessions. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.